Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you feeling like taking a break from the Facebook? Well, in today's video, I will show you a super easy step-by-step guide on how to deactivate your Facebook account right from your PC. Let's dive right in. First thing first, open your favorite browser and log into your Facebook account. Come over into search option and going to search for Facebook. If you just click on Facebook, it will automatically redirect you to the Facebook. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner at Facebook homepage. If you click on that, from the drop down menu, select Setting and Privacy and click on the Settings. On the left hand menu, look for Account Center. If you click on that, then it will automatically redirect you to the Account Center over here. And after coming on Account Center, here you'll find the option called Personal Details. If you click on that, then we'll come over into your personal details, and then here you will get an option called Account Ownership and Control. If you click on that, there will be an option pops up called Deactivation or Deletion. If you click on that, then you'll get your Facebook account over here. If you click on that, then you'll get the option called Delete Account or Deactivate. If you select Deactivate Account and then click Continue, it will now recording you for the password. After giving on password, just click on Continue and come over into deactivating your Facebook account, and here you will get the minimum reason where you want to deactivate account. So I will going to click on it. This temporary. I'll be back and click Continue. After that, there will be an option called Automatically Reactivate Your Account. If you want to leave it, don't reactivate automatically, you will get this option over here. Or if you want to select any of days, then you can select it as well. I will going to click Don't Reactivate it automatically and click Continue. And then you just need to click on Deactivate My Account. After that, your Facebook account will be logged out and now your account is deactivated. And that's it. You have successfully deactivated your Facebook account. Remember, this isn't permanent. You can reactivate your account anytime by simply logging back in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more tech and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for today.